Bending is done in roses to create more foliage that serves as production sites for food that will now sustain your flowers, and you end up getting quality flowers in terms of stem length and also the size of the flower head. So when doing bending, what you need is a pair of gloves. The gloves should be strong enough to resist any penetration of the thorns that might hurt you. And then also you need a secateur. A secateur is for cutting any stems that might break in the process of bending. The correct time to do your bending is when it's not very cold and also when it's not very hot. When it's very cold, the stems become brittle and they break upon bending. How to do bending is you hold the stem using both hands, one right here and the other on top, and squeeze the stem 360 degrees clockwise, and then now you let it bend towards the pad. This is a very simple task, but it's very vital when it comes to roses production. I hope you have enjoyed this short video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share. We have also other videos on roses that you can revisit. But until the next video, ciao and keep growing.